You know that you and only you can change your life. It is time to make your dreams a reality in your life. We are going to help you now. Here, you are going to learn how to have a decent conversation with people around you, in your life, in your working place, and get your new job, in your life. In this video, you will learn little by little these new things. Don't need to rush yourself. Now let's see. To boldly go where you have never gone before. What is an adjective? Adjective, noun, a part of speech that modifies or describes a noun or a pronoun. An adjective is one of the 9 parts of speech. An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. It describes or modifies a noun. The big dog was hungry. Write your comment for us. This will help us to make better videos to help you more. This a way to have your opinions on the line. You will keep listening to this video to have what is missing. So stay tuned. Don't be naive and click on the subscribe and like buttons and help us to achieve more people. Now, let's keep moving. An adjective often comes before a noun. A green car, a dark sky, an interesting story, and sometimes an adjective comes after a verb. My car is green. The sky became dark. His story seemed interesting. But adjectives can also modify pronouns. She is beautiful. Look at these examples. They were empty. I thought it seemed strange. Those are not expensive. Note that we can often use 2 or more adjectives together. A beautiful young French lady. It is black and white. The adjective is the enemy of the noun. This is sometimes said because very often, if we use a precise noun, we don't need an adjective. For example, instead of saying a large, impressive house, 2 adjectives plus 1 noun, we could simply say a mansion, 1 noun. Adjective form. Some adjectives have particular endings. For example, able, washable, credible-ish, like, childish, childlike, full-less, careful, careless, house, dangerous, harmonious, dirty, pretty. However, many adjectives have no obvious form. Comparative, superlative. Most adjectives can be comparative or superlative. For example, big, bigger, biggest, good, better, best, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. You will see now an exercise related to adjectives, which is based on the theory presented here. 1. An adjective is a word that tells us more about a verb. A noun. 2. In the language of grammar, adjectives, nouns, modify, activate. 3. These flowers are beautiful. Which is an adjective? These beautiful. 4. His new apartment's nice, but it's a bit small. How many adjectives are there? 2, 3, 5. An adjective usually comes before a noun or after a verb. A noun. 6. In which sentence does a verb come between a noun and the adjective that modifies it? The movie was boring. It was a boring movie. 7. Adjectives modify nouns, and they can also modify verbs. Pronouns. 8. She's very smart, so the exam was easy for her. Which modifies a pronoun? Smart, easy. 9. Which endings are often found on adjectives? Able, full, aus, ness, meant, id. 10. This quiz is harder than the others. The adjective harder is superlative. Comparative. Tell us in the comments below which one you feel is better for you. Don't worry, we will do the changes to answer you. To sound more native-like, practice saying what you just heard. This will increase your skills when you will have to talk to other people. Remember, the vowels will vibrate the sound waves, and the consonants will put a stop or a pause in the sound waves and mark a cadence for you to follow this musicality that will be created in your sayings. This way, you can create the syllables to strengthen your message, either to inform or to impose your arguments in your talking. This way you can control your conversations and impress your audience. Go in the description to have the link to the Canada Smart Mind website and go deeper into your study to reach your dreams. Thank you very much for watching this video and be in touch with us. Keep up there and write your story. I'll see you at the next one. Stay tuned. Bye for now.